So this is the demonstration video for the PBT1 network scaling. So this is the logical diagram. So in my network, so we got one router which I named school router, and 3 switch, and which I name it as the school switch 1, school switch 2, and school switch 3. So and got 3 PC, which is student 1, student 2, and student 3. So the next is the physical diagram. So this is the physical diagram. So we got the power supply and the Cisco router and the 3 switch. So the at here, so the gigabyte, the router is connected to the switch by the gigabyte 0/1 port, and the switch 1 is connected to the switch 2 by the fast Ethernet 0/1, and connected also to the switch 3 by the port fast Ethernet 0/2. So next is the switch 2 is connected to the switch 3 also by the port is fast Ethernet 0/3. So all of the switch is connected to the PC by the same ports on themselves. So the port is the fast Ethernet 0/24. So from the all of the switch connected to the PC on the fast Ethernet 0, fast Ethernet 0 connected to the switch fast Ethernet 0/24. So this is the PC student 1, and this is the PC student 2, and this is the PC student 3. So next is the IP address table. So this is my IP address table, which the school router will turn the gigabyte Ethernet 0/1 on, and we configure the gigabyte Ethernet 0/1.10 for the Vlan 10, which with the IP address is 10.51.0.1, and the gigabyte Ethernet 0/1.99 is for the Vlan 99 is 10.51.0.225. So next is the router is connected to the switch by the gigabyte Ethernet 0/1 and to the 0/1, and the switch I will enable the SVI, which is the switch virtual interface. So I using the Vlan interface Vlan 99, and I will and I configure the IP address for the SVI Vlan 99 on the switch 1 is the IP address is 10.51.0.226, and on the switch 2 is 10.51.0.227, and on the switch 3 is 10.51.0.228. So so at here the switch 1 is connected to the switch 2 by the fast Ethernet 0/1, and the switch 1 connected to the switch 3 by the fast Ethernet 0/2, and switch 2 to switch 3 is also connected by the fast Ethernet 0/3. So the next is the PC. So the PC I name it as the student 1, student 2, and student 3. So the student 1 is connected to the switch 1 by the fast Ethernet 0/24, and student 2 is connected to the switch 2 by the interface fast Ethernet 0/24 also, and also student 3 connected to switch 3 with the fast Ethernet 0/24. So So all the IP address and the subnet mask for the PC will get from the DHCP server, which is the router. So next is the VLAN table for the switch. So all of the switch will be configured the fast Ethernet 0/24 in the access mode, and the access will be assigned to the VLAN 10, and the network is the 10.51.0.0/25. And next, the device will also, all the switch will be configured the interface VLAN 99, and assign all of the VLAN interface 99 to the VLAN 99, and the network is 10.51.0.224/26. So this is for the IP address table and the VLAN table. So next, I will verify the DHCP configuration. So we change from on the student 1 PC from the static to the DHCP. So can see here the DHCP required is successful, and we get the IP address for the PC, subnet mask 1.128, and the default gateway is 10.51.0.1. so we can try to ping from the PC ping from the PC to the default gateway, which it should be success. So also for the student 2 PC, so DHCP requires success, so IP address for the PC, subnet mask, and the default gateway is also 0.1, so we can try to ping from here. Ping 10.51.0.1. And also student 3, so we change from static to DHCP, and this is the IP address, subnet mask, and the gateway, so we can try to ping from 51.0.1, so success. So next, this is also for the detail for the IP config on the PC student 1, and this is for the student 2, and this is IP config for the PC student 3. So next is to try to secure remove to all the network device. So I will try from the student 1, I will SSH using the SSH to the router 1. So first is the router 1 with the username is admin, and the IP address for router 1, which is here on the gigabyte 0/1.99 is 10.51.0.225. Okay, so 225, enter. So it will require for the password, so which the password is pass wd, pass wd, enter. So the banner will come out, and the connection is successful. So next we try to SSH to the switch 1. So the switch 1 IP address is 226, so we just switch to the 226, and enter. So it requires for the password, so the same password, PWD, enter. So the banner, and we get into the console switch 1. So next, we connected to the switch 2. So switch 2. So next is the for the switch 2. So switch 2, the IP address for the switch 2 is 227. So we enter. So you require for the password. So the password is password. So password. Okay, so next is the for the oh wait next is for the school switch 2. So the school switch 2, so so 227 is for the switch 2. So try to ping switch SSH. Okay, so next to the switch 2. So required for the password is the password. And the password is SSWD. Enter. Password SSWD. Enter. So this is the banner. We log into the console for the switch 2. Success. And next is to the switch 3. So switch 3 is the IP address is 228. So 228. Enter. Password. Enter. So we get into here. So we success to SSH to the switch 3. So next is to verify the SVI configuration, which for the switch. So I will try to ping from the PC1, the student one, to the switch 1. So the switch 1 is with the SVI IP address is 10.51.226. So I will ping from it, from the PC student 1. So the ping was success. And the second one is to the switch 2 is IP address is 227. So switch from here 227, and the ping will also success. And also for the so just now is from the switch 3. So reset first and try to ping from so we ping the SVI for the switch 1 is IP address is 10.51. Okay, so 226. So enter. The ping will be success. So the second one is to the switch 2. So we ping to the switch 2 is 227. Ping also success to the SVI on the switch 2. And the third one is the 228. The 228 is for the switch 3. So ping 228. So the ping also success. So next I will I will show the Vlan for the the Vlan configuration for the switch. So first we from the switch 1 is 226 admin, and with the password is so using the command show Vlan brief. So in the switch 1 we got the Vlan 1 which is the default for all the ports, and Vlan 10 which named student for the Vlan, and I assign the port only fast Ethernet 0/24 for the Vlan 10, which the Vlan the interface fast Ethernet 0/24 will access the Vlan 10. So we got also the Vlan 99 for the which named as the management. So next I will show the interface brief. Interface switch port. So which looking here the fast Ethernet on the switch 1 is enabled for the switch port, and the mode is in trunking, and the access mode is in Vlan 1, so it's the default Vlan, and the trunking native mode is in the Vlan 99. So this is for the the interface fast Ethernet 0/1. So the next is the 0/2. Okay, so the 0/2 is also enabled and also in the trunking mode, and access mode is default, and the trunking native mode is the Vlan 99. So the next is the fast Ethernet. Okay, so the next is for the fast Ethernet 0/24. So so here show interface fast Ethernet 0/24 switch port. So you can look at here, the switch port is enabled for the interface, and the mode is static access, and the trunking is does not on, and it is access mode to the Vlan 10. Yeah, so yeah, this is for the fast Ethernet 0/24 on the switch 1. So next we continue for the switch 2. So switch 2 show then so this is the the VLAN table for the switch 2. So VLAN 1, which is default, we got VLAN 10 and VLAN 99, and VLAN 10 we assign the fast Ethernet 0/24 for it, and the next is show show interface fast Ethernet 1 2 the interface range interface fast Ethernet 0/1 and switch port. So this is for the interface fast Ethernet 0/1 on the switch 2, so which is switch port enable and in the mode trunking, and the native VLAN is 99. Yeah, so the next is the fast Ethernet 0/3, which is connected to the switch 3. So the mode is switch port is enable and trunking, and with the native VLAN is 99. So last is the 24 on the switch 2, so which is enable, the mode is static access, and trunking is off, and access mode is to the VLAN 10. So this is for the switch 2. So next is switch 3. Switch 3 show VLAN with. Okay, so we got VLAN 1, which is default, and VLAN 10 also, the name student, and assign the port fast Ethernet 0/24, and the VLAN 99 name management. So the next is show interface fast Ethernet 0/1 0/2 switch port. So this is for the switch 2, switch 3 fast Ethernet 2 0/2. So it is trunking, and with the native mode is the VLAN 99. Yeah, VLAN 99. And for the fast Ethernet 0/3, it is trunking also, in the mode trunking, and native mode is VLAN 99. So last is fast Ethernet 0/24. So which is in the access mode, static access mode, in access to the VLAN 10. Okay, so next I will verify my spanning tree configuration. So we switch to the switch 1. So switch 1, we're using the command show spanning tree, show spanning. Okay, so enable mode. So password is enable mode, password is syscall, and password is class for the enable mode, class, enter. Okay, so so next we're using the command show spanning tree. So show spanning tree. So expand it so we can look at here, which the Vlan one, which is for the default is using the protocol ISTP, and this switch is the root for the Vlan one, and so the Vlan 10 spanning tree enable protocol RSTP, priority, host is 19, and the port is the fast Ethernet 0/2, and the fast Ethernet 2 is which connected the fast Ethernet 2 on the switch 1, this school switch 1 connected is act as the root, so means that the fast Ethernet 2 which is here, so the school switch 3 is the root for the Vlan 10, and status block for the switch 2 because it is the secondary. So the Vlan 99, so Vlan 99, the port is the fast Ethernet, so it's here, and we can look at here the fast Ethernet 0/1, the root is the switch 2, and this is for the Vlan 99 on the switch 1. So so next is the password. There we go. Password is class show spanning tree. So this is for the switch 2, and for the Vlan 1, so the port is connected by the fast Ethernet 0/1, and the root is the fast Ethernet 0/1 also. So that means the school switch 1 is act as the root for the Vlan 1. So Vlan 10 connected by port 3, so at here. So looking here, so the fast Ethernet 0/3, which is act as the root for the Vlan 10, and on the for the Vlan 99, this bridge is act as is the root, so this bridge is the root for the Vlan 99. So is it. So next is the for the switch 3 enable password is class show spanning tree. So Vlan 1 is connected by the port fast Ethernet 0/2 on the switch 3. So the which is the fast Ethernet through the switch 1 is root acts as the root, and Vlan 10, the bridge is the root, so means that switch 3 it is the root for the Vlan 10, and the Vlan 99 is the Vlan 99, which the fast Ethernet tree is the root for the Vlan 99. Okay, so the next I will show the the STP advanced fixture configuration on the switch. Okay, so 6 and enable plus using the command show running config and include section. Okay. So sorry, so as the show running config, and the option is section interface, and we show here the fast Ethernet 0/1 switch with the switch port trunk native Vlan 99, and switch port mode is trunk. And for the fast Ethernet 2 is switch port trunk native Vlan 99 also, and also in the mod trunk. And next is for the fast Ethernet 0/24, which is in switch port access Vlan 10, mod access, and the spanning tree port fast, and the BPDU guard enable, and the gigabyte Ethernet for the switch 1 0/1 is in the mod trunking. So the next is for the switch 2. The switch 2, so en plus show in section interface. So the on the Vlan 2, the fast Ethernet 0/1 is trunking, and native Vlan is 99. Fast Ethernet for the fast Ethernet 0/3 also trunking native Vlan 99 and in the mod trunk. And also for the 0/24 fast Ethernet is in the access mode, which access to the Vlan 10, and the spanning tree port fast and the video guard is enabled. So next, show so this is for the switch tree, so which the interface fast Ethernet 0/2 is in the trunking native Vlan 99, and the trunking mode is trunk. Of course, the fast Ethernet 0/3 is trunking native Vlan 99 in the mod trunk, and for the fast Ethernet 0/24 is switch port access Vlan 10, and the spanning tree is port fast and spanning tree video guard enable. So last for the testing the configuration, so we can all of the device can ping each other. So from PC student 1, we can ping to the network 51.0/ping 1, which is the default gateway on the router, and 2 for the PC itself. So the 2 is the IP for the PC, PC student 1, and 3 is the PC student 2, and 4 is the PC student 3, and the IP address, IP address 226 is for the switch 1, so switch 1, and 227 for the switch 2, and also 228 for the switch 3. Okay, so this is all of the for the PBT1 for the network scaling. So that's it. Thank you.